to Natural Growth Secret. If this is your first time coming across Natural Growth Secret, you're welcome. To all my sweet, amazing subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and subscribing to the channel. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on that red subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. On today's video, I will share with you guys an amazing, effective scalp treatment natural spray. This scalp treatment spray is amazing. This is what you need right now for your scalp, guys. It is absolutely very amazing. I am going to be using purple onion. The first ingredient is going to be our onion. You can use any onion of your choice, but this particular onion is filled with a lot of sulfur. Onion in general is very amazing in promoting hair growth. It is filled with antioxidants that help in preventing premature graying of our scalp, nourishing our hair, preventing hair fall. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of onion can also help to prevent scalp infections and dandruff. Guys, I absolutely love onion. And the next ingredient is going to be our garlic. Garlic is a must to add. Like, it is a must to I must add garlic to this scalp treatment spray because it is very effective. Garlic is a very great contribution to the benefit of our hair. It helps kill bacteria and fight germs, keeping our hair and scalp very healthy, promoting healthiness, promoting hair health, and also it is rich in vitamin C. Guys, I absolutely love garlic. So guys, go ahead to the supermarket, run along. Garlic is everywhere, guys, so you don't have any excuse in making this scalp treatment spray for yourself. So guys, go ahead to peel off the back of your onion. Go ahead to remove the skin of the garlic. I am going to be using this grater right here to make this very easier for me. You can use a knife to chop up your onion and garlic, but I find this very amazing and more effective because it brings out the juice of the garlic and the onion easily. Like, can you see that juice coming out already? It is so powerful, guys. So don't worry about the smell of the garlic. The next ingredient is going to help to combat the smell. Like, this amazing spray is very nice. You don't have to worry about the smell of the garlic. I know. So guys, our next ingredient is going to be coffee, guys. Yes, coffee is another amazing ingredient in promoting hair regeneration, restoring hair growth, helping with hair loss. Guys, coffee is amazing in promoting hair growth. The caffeine in coffee can help block DHT while it stimulates hair shaft elongation, resulting in a longer, wider hair root. And the next ingredient is going to be our fenugreek seed. Fenugreek promotes hair growth. Fenugreek is rich source of iron and protein, contains a unique composition of plant compounds. And our last ingredient is going to be our black tea. Guys, I went ahead to add in the coffee and the fenugreek seed to our blended garlic and onion that is already in our pot right here, and I'm going to be adding in our last ingredient, which is black tea. Guys, this scalp treatment spray is very effective. You want to make this for your scalp. Like, this is amazing. Black tea, if you don't know, is widely known for its nutritional value. Black tea is also used as a hair care treatment, not only for drinking. It is also used as a hair care treatment. Black tea help in increasing hair growth, enhancing our hair color, and boosting shine as well. This spray is going to help with the effectiveness. Like, the black tea is amazing. You can use any tea of your choice. You can use any brand of black tea. So go ahead to add in clean water to your pot right there and put it in a low heat for this to infuse. Guys, this is going to infuse nicely. You don't want to burn it down. You just have to put it in a low heat, let it infuse for about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the heat of your stove or gas, whichever you are using to infuse this. As you can see, like, this is bubbling already. You don't have to be worried about the smell. If you don't like the smell, you can add in a few drops of essential oil like lavender, peppermint essential oil, but I love it like so. Guys, this is very amazing, powerful already. So I'm going to be using this scalp treatment spray for 3 days on my scalp, and this is a treatment spray, not a leave-in spray. Okay, you can leave it in for few minutes, like 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes I will rinse it off with warm water. You can use it overnight as a treatment spray. Use it 4 days before your wash day, like use it every day before your wash day, or you can use it once, store it in the fridge. So this treatment is absolutely natural, no preservative. I'm going to, so without no preservative, it is going to not last long, so I'm going to keep it in the fridge for about a week. I know that before that week it is going to be finished. So guys, make a little amount, because natural products tends to go bad easily without preservative. So guys, this is me right here treating my braids. I'm going to be losing these braids 4 days in the next couple of days. So I'm going to be treating my scalp, because you don't have to wait till you lose your hair to start treating your scalp. So guys, like I said, the spray is amazing. If you don't love the smell, you can add in some essential oil. So guys, this is what my scalp look like. My scalp is getting healthier by the day because of the scalp treatment that I normally use. If you enjoyed this video and find this channel helpful, please, what are you waiting for? Go ahead to join this amazing channel by clicking on that red subscribe button to be an amazing family right here. This channel is all about skincare, self-care, body care, hair growth, our hair journey, scalp care, because our hair grows from the scalp. You are going to love it here. So subscribe, join this amazing channel, join the natural growth secret family. Guys, so I'm going to be treating my scalp with this spray, and after spraying it all over my scalp, like I am targeting this scalp, I'm targeting this treatment to my scalp. And because of my extension, I'm not going to be going over everything over my hair length. If you don't have any extension on, you can decide to just go all over your hair, including the length of your hair, the roots of your hair, everywhere. Massage it everywhere, guys, but mainly focus on your scalp. Like, don't neglect your scalp, because our scalp is where the hair growth starts from. So guys, after massaging, after spraying this all over my scalp, I am going to give my scalp a good massage. Spray it all over your hair where you are having that issue, dandruff, alopecia, baldness, thinniness of the hair, breakage. Spray it all over your hair and give your hair a good massage. This scalp treatment is amazing to helping in reducing hair loss, exfoliating your scalp, clearing any accumulation in your hair follicle, making your hair stronger, longer, and growing healthy and faster. So I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes, cover it with a plastic bag, and then leave it. You can leave it overnight, cover it with a plastic bag. Alright family, this is optional guys. You can do this with your extension or without your extension. I have my extension on, so I'm just trying to show you guys how I treat my scalp even if I have an extension or not. So guys, this is me losing my hair after 4 days later. I am removing my extension, and this is what my natural hair looks like without any other extension. Guys, this is my natural hair. The color pink and white is this extension, so I'm just going to finish removing everything and go ahead to rinse my hair with warm water. So after the treatment, you can decide to rinse your hair with warm water, and if that is your wash day, you can just move on to your regular wash day routine by washing and conditioning your hair. If it is not your wash day, you just want to treat your scalp with this treatment, all you have to do is just to treat it with the scalp treatment spray which we have just made, and then rinse your hair after 30 minutes or 1 hour with warm water only, just warm water only, and then go ahead to moisturize your hair. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to rinse my hair with warm water and then moisturize my hair. So I am going to go ahead to the zinc now to wash my hair to remove the treatment. As you can see, my scalp is getting healthy by the day. I have other products which I also use. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this video and subscribe, like and share this video. So on my next video I will show you guys the hair rings that I made. That one is a leave-in scalp treatment and hair spray, which is also very nice. I swear that one you have to leave it in on your hair. So guys, this is the result of the treatment. My hair is looking bouncing, healthy. The ends of my hair is looking great. My scalp is shining, healthy, and getting thicker and fuller by the day. So guys, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like. God bless you all and stay blessed. Bye bye.